This is what happens when you let MegaClaw build and deploy an application for you. Starting from a simple requirement, build a live server monitoring dashboard. MegaClaw handled the entire process. It connected to the server over SSH, detected the Python environment, installed the required dependencies, and used AI agents to build the application. One AI agent developed the Python backend for real-time server metrics. Another designed the complete front-end dashboard. A third agent integrated both into a fully runnable Flask application. Then MegaClaw deployed the application to the server, created a systemd service, enabled it to start automatically, and launched it. Finally, MegaClaw verified the deployment by checking the systemd service, the HTTP endpoint, the API response, and the application logs. And the result? The service is active and running. From idea, code, deployment, verification. The entire application was built and deployed by MegaClaw. No manual coding. No manual deployment. No manual configuration. MegaClaw, AI that doesn't just write code, it builds, deploys, and verifies.